Okay. Yes. So let us start with this. So we'll repeat first the section. Okay. Speaker. Sure. Sure. Speaker. Sure. Sure. Because we this is how because speaker. Sure. Sure. Speaker. Sure. Sure. Sure is basically what this. Sure is because we have a Chinese which we are in elementary lesson number 6. Speak up, ch. Speak up, ch. Ch is basically your this. Ch, ch. Now, because in Chinese we have a particle, as I explained to you yesterday, in Chinese, what are particle? Because they are particle. If you're asking for a chemise, my shirt, chan chan. I'm asking for a pull over Maui. The pull over which you have here, then we go to Maui. Maui, we have a Chian particle because in Chinese we have a particle. So we have one particle, ma, which we already have done. We have no particle, we have wine. Speak of wine. Wine is basically your particle. Speak of wine. Speak of wine. So we have a lower sound. Wine. Speak of wine. Wine is basically a particle which we use for a person. Which we use for a person. If you want to introduce someone, if you want to introduce someone, so this is your Y particle. Speak after me. Y is basically your particle which you use for a person. Is that clear to you? This person. Yes. It's just I'm giving to you. Okay. So ch is this. Y is my particle. Speak up. Share. Speak up. Share. Whenever we have a lower sound, share is basically a grammar which we have to be, which is AMR. Share. Which is be, which is be, which is to be. तो इसका मतलब ये जरा है कि this is for example in English. ये कहीं भी रख सकते हैं. Yes, share. Wash it. Wash it. So share is basically your AMR. Is that clear to you? Now we have Wang. Speak up. Wang is basically your surname. Wang is basically your surname. Wang. Is that clear to you? Now speak up. Speak up then. Y is basically your particle. Y is basically a particle which we use for a person. Ship. Wang. Speak up. Wang. Lao shit. Speak up. Lao shit. See, we have shit. Tell me shit. Speak up. Shit. But shit. If I will say Lao, I'm adding shit, but shit is my flat sound. Lao shit. Yes. Speak up. Lao shit. See, we have a lot of shit. One shit number 10 also. Now speak up. Shit. Because in Chinese we have a sound. Is it clear to you? Now speak up. Share is basically your AMR into B. Is it clear to you? Wang is basically your surname. And Lao share. Speak after me. Lao share. See, that's how you will create your sound. Lao share. The moment you learn Lao share, because it is how you will learn this. Lao share is your teacher. Is that clear to you? Now speak up. Lao shit. Speak up. Lao shit. Speak up. Na. Speak up. Na. Speak up. Na. Speak up. Na. Na is basically your dad. Now, speak up. Why is basically your person. A major particle for a person. Shit is my AMR. Lao shit is my teacher. Na is your dad. Is that clear to you? Now we have Chang is again your surname. So we have Wang and Chang. We have chang. Speak up. Chang, 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 chang. Is it clear to you? Chang. Speak up. Chang, chang. Speak up. Chang, chang. Chu. Speak up. Chu, chu, chu. Cha. Cha sound. Chu, 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 chu. What do you say? Chu, chu, chu. Chu is to go. Chu, chu, chu. Chu is to go. Is it clear to you? Chu, chu, chu. Chu, chu, chu is a taxi. Chu, chu, chu. I will explain to you. I will. We have one. Well, see, usually I'm telling you what is a taxi. Taxi we call it chu, chu, chu. Chu, chu, chu. Chu, chu, chu. So, chu, chu, chu. I will explain. Chu, 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 chu. Chu, chu, chu. Okay. Now speak up. Cha, why, she, wang, lao, she, na, cha, chu, na, chu, cha. Cha, cha. Z sound is cha, chang, 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 chu, chu. Q sound is cha, chu, 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 chu. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Now one na is that. One, okay, I will explain to you. Na, speak up, 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 na is where? Where? Na, isn't clear to you? Na, speak up, na, speak after me, na. One shade is MR, but if you have a second more shade, if you have upper sound, shade, see, shade, this shade is number 10. Is that clear to you? Shade, see, shade, your upper sound, shade, Shade is to be, sheep is to number 10. Is it clear to you? Yes. Clear? Now, speak after me. Cha, why is my person? Shade, wang, lao, shade, na, speak up, na, chu, is that clear to you? Now speak up. Speak up. Cha is here. Cha, speak up. Cha. See, now it's very important to understand. We have two type of na. One second. Listen to me. Speak up. Na. Speak up. Na. My na is where? Speak up. Na. Speak up. Na is where? But if you have a longer sound, na, that is there. One, speak after me. Na, speak up. Na, speak up. Na, that is where? Na, where? Where? Waha. Where? Sorry, kaha? Where? Na, where? If you have na, that is there. Now, for example, if I say where, na, there, na. If you are asking for, if I'm saying there, na, where? See, I'm asking. See, listen to me. Use your body language. Where, na. Maybe the fast way you're speaking Chinese, but na, there. Is that clear to you? Yes. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Clear? Now speak up. Sachir. Speak up. Speak up. Sachir. Tasa. Yes. Sachir. Speak up. This sound basically. Speak up. Sachir. Chir. Now listen to me. SHI sound is shir, and ZHI sound is chir. Is that clear to you? ZSHI sound is shir and ZHI sound is chir. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Sachir, speak up. Sachir, speak up. Okay, I can write it down over here. Here, okay? Now, Sachir, Sachir is your magazine. Sachir is your magazine. May I have this? Yes, Sachir is your magazine basically. Speak up, Sachir. Speak up, Sachir. Sachir is your magazine. Is that clear to you? Speak up, Sachir. Sachir is your magazine. See, now, you are a businessman. Obviously, why we are doing these type of things? Because you want to learn business Chinese. Now, for example, you are saying, you are reading, in a Chinese man, you are saying, you are reading magazine. In a Chinese man, for example, you are traveling and one Chinese guy is reading a new magazine. So you are reading Chinese. Now you tell me. Ni, Nian, Sachir, Ma. You are asking a question.
I'm reading magazine.
No. You are asking, are you reading Chinese? Or are you reading magazine? Kya? So, Ni, Nian, Sachir, Ma. Ma. What do you say? Wo Nian, Sachir. 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 Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Clear? Sachir. Speak up. Sachir. Nian Sachir. Yes, I'm reading. Yes. Nian Sachir. Tue, correct. Tue, yes, correct. Tue, Nian Sachir. See, if you are asking to a Chinese guy, are you writing Chinese?
सर तुए को तुए राइट सर तुए का कोई अलग है इसका भी अलग है कोई फॉर्म पर मुझे तुए को तुए हाँ तुए क्लियर सेम ही है तुए से
Clear?
वही राइट है वही रॉन्ग
Yes. Okay. Clear. Now speak up. Sachir is a magazine. Speak up. Paans. 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 Paans. See. Paans. So puns is basically your notebook. You have a notebook, right? I said book. There is a notebook. Puns is basically a notebook. Puns. Speak up. Puns. Speak up. Puns. Sachir. Speak up. Puns. Sachir. Speak up. Puns. Sachir. Is it clear to you? Clear?
सर एंड दैट आई का कैसे बनेगा
Puns.
and
Now, here they are some buns is your notebook. Is that clear? Because we have particles. Yes. For book, again we have particles. I will explain to you. Right now. Listen to me very carefully. If you're asking to you, is this a wrong? Now, I will write down in English, then you have to convert. You're asking, is this? Because obviously, today I will explain to you how to go with these type of questions making. Is this a wrong teacher? Now, for example, Wang is the name of the person. You're asking. Now, for example, he is a person. He's a person. You're asking, is this a Wang teacher? Now, a person is going. and he saw a teacher. Is this a wrong teacher? He's asking the person, is this a wrong teacher?
Wang means sir.
Wrong is surname.
Surname.
You are asking, is this a wrong? Can you teacher wrong hai?
Yes.
You are asking for a person. Wang is a person. You are asking, is this a Wang teacher?
Is this a Wang teacher? Wo?
No. Wo to is I. This is my chair.
Chair.
Good answer, now.
Yes.
Chair.
Chair.
This is my chair now. As explained to you, if we are introducing a
It is a
person, no. If we are introducing a person, see for a person, we have Y particle.
Yes, sir.
Y particle, chair,
Chair.
Y
Chair. Y.
is what? Shade.
Shade.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? Chair, Y shade.
Chair. Y. Shade.
One.
One.
Good answer, my friend. ये है वहाँ लाउशेर
Teacher.
लाउशेर. Now you are asking a question. Is this? So what is this? Ma. Ma is my question particle, right? I'm asking the question to you. Is it a wrong teacher? Why she wrong laoshir ma? Why she wrong laoshir ma? Ma is basically a question. Simple. Cha is my base. Why is my particle? Because in Chinese we don't have typical grammar rules. No, we have particles.
Right.
So if you are asking for, if you're introducing a person, basically you have to use Y particle. Is it clear to you? Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. Chawai shi wang. For example, he's a wrong teacher. You are saying Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. I'm asking Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. See, I'm asking. Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. 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 Because you're asking, is this a wrong teacher? Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. Speak up. Yes, Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. Then you say yes. This is a wrong teacher. Simple. This is a wrong teacher. Chawai shi wang lao shi. You will remove ma because my question. You will say, Chawai shi wang lao shi. Chawai shi wang lao shi ma. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Tell me yes and no. Correct? Yes, you can say Chawai shi wang lao. Simple. Chawai shi wang lao shi. Chawai shi wang lao shi. Is that clear to you? Now you will say, is that a charm teach? You are saying, is this? Now if you say, is that a charm? Is that a charm teacher? Because there is a teacher, you are saying, is that a charm teacher? What is this? That is my na. We have done na. Cha is my this and that is my na. So what I will say? Na, simple way, shape, that. Na is my that. Ni is you. You. Yes. Wo is I. Na is that. Okay? Now, you session record already, you can see the recording also. Now, why ship charm lao ship ma? You're asking.
Yes. Why ship charm lao ship?
Now, why ship charm lao ship ma? You're asking, is this? So, cha why ship is that? Now, why ship? Speak up. Now, repeat after. Cha why ship lao ship ma? Speak up. Cha why ship lao ship ma? Chawai shi wang lao shi. Chawai shi wang lao shi. Speak up. Wang lao shi. Now why shi chang lao shi ma? Speak up. Now why shi chang lao shi ma? Chang. Chang. Direct sound is cha. Chawai shi. Now why shi chang lao shi ma? You say yes. Now why shi chang lao shi? You will add. You will remove ma. You will say this. Yes. Now why shi chang lao shi? Is that clear to you? Now why shi chang lao shi? Now why should Chang Lao Shi, Chawai Shi Chang Lao Shi, speak up, Chawai Shi Chang Lao Shi, Chawai Shi Chang Lao Shi, Chawai Shi Chang Lao Shi Ma, Nawai Shi Chang Lao Shi Ma, Nawai Shi Chang Lao Shi. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Now, for example, if I will say, is that also a teacher kya? Also.
It's that also.
Now English. Okay, first English. Is that, because we are doing translation today, is that
It's that
also a teacher?
also a teacher.
Is that also a teacher? Speaker. Is that, or 1 second, huh? 1 second, please. Hello? Okay, now for example, sorry,
Sir, Hanvi and
Hanvi Hanna.
now.
Yes. Hanvi Hanna. कोई बात नहीं, we'll do story exactly, no problem. Now, is that also a teacher? Obviously, we'll go for pattern to pattern. So you will say Hanvi Punan. Now you will say Hanvi Hannan.
Yes, sir.
You will say earlier you will say Hanvi Punan. Ni hao ma wo han hao, ni na wo ya han hao, ni shui shi shan ma wo shui shi, Hanvi wo shui shi, Han se wo shui shi shang se. But now Hanvi Hannan. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No problem, we have a recording. You can see the recording, right? Now why here share na is that na why
Now
here is also.
Now I hear.
Now why here share lao share ma? Simple.
Now here. Now why here share lao share.
Now over here. Now why here share lao share ma? Na is that. Why is my particle? Here is also.
Yeah, also.
Share is the lao share teacher. Ma is my question particle. I'm repeating. Na is my that. Why is my person for particle. Here is also. Share is my lao share is my teacher. Why is my question particle. Now why here share lao share ma? You asking, is this also a teacher?
Now why here?
Now why here share lao share ma? Speak up. Now why here share lao share ma? Speak up.
Now why here lao share.
Now why here share lao share ma? Now why here share lao share ma?
Now why here share lao share.
Yes. Now why here share lao share ma? Speak up. Now why here share lao share ma? Now why here share lao share ma?
Now why here share lao share.
Because this is a special batch for practitioners. Because obviously you are asking something, is that a person? If you will ask for labor, like because you have industry over there and you will ask for labor, is that a person kya? So you will so is that okay now why here share? Person I will explain to you.
Now why share.
Now why here share lao share ma? Now why here share lao share ma?
Now why here share lao share.
Ma. Yes, exactly. You will say answer is now why here share lao share. Yes. Now why here share lao share. Whether you will say here simple here share
Yeah, share.
lao share.
Lao share.
Simple, either you can say because Chinese is not like you will go for phrases. You will know. Yes, you know. Yes, you know.
Same content the question particle.
Yeah, yes, you know.
Question particle is a question.
Yes. Yes, you know.
Question particle remove.
Yes. Yes. Is it clear to you? Thaman chunar. Thaman chunar. Thaman is they. Thaman is what? They. Thaman chunar. Thaman chunar.
Go.
Where are you going? Where they are going? Thaman Chunar. Speak up. Thaman Chunar.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Thaman Chunar. Is it clear to you? Thaman Chunar. Thaman Chunar. Where you are going? If I ask where you are going, tell me in Chinese. Ni Chunar. Simple. Because nar is where, because already when, where, what we have to insert at the end of the sentence. Chu is my verb and ni is my subject.
Sir, reading.
Reading में, okay. You, तुम जाते हो कहाँ? तुम जाते हो कहाँ? वे जाते हैं कहाँ? Is it clear to you? Nichunar, Nichunar, speak of Nichunar, Tamachunar, Nichunar, Tamachunar. Is it clear to you? Now you will say, I am going to
reading का मतलब क्या था?
Niyan. Niyan. Niyan is to read.
Sir, niyan.
Hanvi. Yes.
Niyan.
You read Chinese. वो नियान हानवी
मैं जा रहा हूँ Chinese read करने.
हाँ. हाँ अटैच कर सकते हैं एक पूरा फेस करेंगे हाँ yes so जैसे थामचूना नीचूना
जो मुझे बैक आपने पीछे जो पढ़ा हुआ है वो दिमाग में है
very good
वो जोड़ के
yes very good because that's how you can do the practice so let's repeat this ch speak up ch is my this speak up ch is my this y is my particle for a person shape
y
why nature of the sound है why what I will do is जो इतना समझ आया आपको can I share the recording
yes
1 second